Hello, students, and welcome back. So, yes, after a long time, a new video for class 8. So, yes, students, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे properties of rational numbers. So, till now हम लोग ने पढ़ चुका है कि comparison कैसे होता है, how to draw on number line, what is rational number. But today, in this video, we will learn the properties of rational numbers, which is very important in our syllabus. So properties of rational numbers will help us to understand कि rational numbers होता क्या है. So okay, so let's see. So first property which we will learn is the properties which are is first closure, commutative, associative. बट उसके साथ सम प्रॉपर्टीज और भी हैं जैसे आइडेंटिटी. एक होते हैं एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी और दूसरे होते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेटिव. सो एडिटिव एंड मल्टीप्लिकेटिव. सो ये है तीन. दिस आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ आइडेंटिटीज. वन होते हैं नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स जो बेसिकली नेगेटिव होते हैं. So these are. So today first we will start our important thing with closure. So it is very much similar what we have learned in whole numbers or we have learned in integers. So closure property says when we add or when we multiply two rational numbers, the result is also a rational numbers. For example, so let us take 3 by 8 plus. We all know how to add rational numbers. We all have studied in class 7. So if we add two rational numbers, we will get a rational number which is minus 19 by 56. So this is the closure property for addition. Now, if I take, for example, for it can take for addition, subtraction, anything which you want. But suppose now if I want to take for multiplication. So for multiplication, if I will have, for example, minus 2 by 3 multiplied with 4 by 5. So this is one. Now we all know how to multiply. So it is minus 8 by 15, which is a rational number. And we all have studied when it is rational number, when your P, it is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. So this is the form जहाँ पे हमें याद रखना. If let us see one example for multiplication, sorry, not multiplication, subtraction. Suppose we will have 5 by 8 minus 4 by 5. Suppose this is the number. So if now we will subtract, the result which will come will be as a rational number only. I think it will be 25 minus 32 upon 40, which is, if I'm calculation is correct, it would be minus 7 by 40. So this is the one rational number. So similarly, if we calculate for division, again it is a rational number. So closure property. So let us write something. So we can say that our final remark can be closure property is applicable for all. That means your addition, add, subtract, multiply and divide. So this is what it works. So let us see one paper which I have prepared. So see, you can all see this paper. So one example is that division. As I said, yes, it works for subtraction, multiplication. It is in the case of division 1 only if we can say it is not divided by 0, because it will be in the q will be equal to 0 in that case. So it is not possible. So the condition is that for division is that it should not be divided by 0. So it should not be divided by 0. So except that, everything it will be a rational number. So except 0, yes, it can be work. Okay, so now let us learn another property which is called commutative. Commutative property. Commutative property is very much similar when it is in the form जहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं थे कि a plus b is equals to b plus a. ये हमने पढ़ा था integers में भी, whole numbers में भी. So that is why it is very important that we learn. So a plus b is equals to b plus a. So a plus b is equals to b plus a. So but in this case, when we are talking about rational numbers, what will happen for rational numbers, that it has to be in the form of, you can say, so let me use some different color. Okay, so I have different color. Okay, so let us see. So you will have, for example, we will have minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. If so, when I'm doing, suppose you can take a by b plus c by d is equals to c by d plus a by b. So this should be the form. So the form should be a by b plus c by d is equals to c by d is equal plus a by b. So this is the form for addition. So if I see, it will be 5 by 7 plus in brackets minus 2 by 3, the value will you will get as 1 by 21 only. So if you will calculate, it is same. So yes, we will put a tick for addition. Now let us go for subtraction. Now if I take the same example, just I will change the sign, what will happen? If you have, let us change little bit. So 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7. So suppose this is the form, and the form says ki a by b minus c by d should be equal to c by d minus a by b. So let us see whether it is possible or not. So if I calculate 2 by 3 minus 5 by 7, so the value should come as 21 will be the denominator, 7 to the 14 minus 15 minus 1 by 21. Now let us try for 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. Will it be same? No. So the values will be different. So yes, commutative is not applicable for subtraction. Now let us try for multiplication. What will happen for multiplication? So if I write 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 7, from the example only you can see, yes, it is very much same. You will get as 10 by 21. If I write it as 5 by 7 multiplied with 2 by 3, अगर मैं ये लिखता हूँ तो क्या होगा? You will get as same value, 10 by 21. So we can say yes, we will put a tick for multiplication. Let us try for division. If I say minus 5 by 7 divided by 3 by 7. So what you have to do is, I will put a question mark, and in the comment box you all can tell me कि क्या होगा value. Okay, so minus, let us take just a minute. I will remove little bit. I will make a changes. It will be this, and yes. So if I changing the form, will it be same? So I would say no. So if you can prove me wrong, yes, I'm very much welcome. If you can, I would be very happy, but you have to try and tell me. So try this at home. So try this one for division 1 and tell me whether they are same. Okay, so try this one at home, and just using this video it will help you. So again, I have put some notes for you all, but yes, so rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So as you can see, it is going, it's a very important note. Please, a very handy note also. You can just click a picture, do anything, but it's very helpful. Okay, okay, so now let's go for another property, and the property's name is associative. So today all the properties in this video you will be seeing is covered but remember, you all can always get in touch with me through comment box. And yes, it's very, very important, because if you have any doubts, please get free to be to touch, because yes, every time I'm there. So जहां तक आप लोग देखोगे कि ये जो प्रॉपर्टीज है लर्नर्स, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और it will be very helpful. So commutative properties, first of all, what is the form? Sorry, for associative property, फॉर्म है कि a प्लस बी और b प्लस सी, ये है एक एडिशन का जनरल फॉर्म मैं लिख रहा हूं, और बोलता है कि ये होगा a प्लस बी विल बी इन ब्रैकेट प्लस सी। सो ये एक जनरल फॉर्म है। अगर सपोज मैं सब्ट्रैक्शन करूंगा तो ये होना चाहिए। सो आई विल राइट ऑल द फॉर्म्स विच विल हेल्प यू ऑल। For multiplication, it will be something like this. Okay, so this is how it should work for all of you. And for division, similarly, only the sign will change. Just remember, in rational numbers में आपका ये फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में होगा या p by q फॉर्म में, ठीक है। सो a by b डिवाइडेड बाय c। अगर फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो it will be looking like something like this. Suppose if I take d e f d e f, so something, ये आपका फॉर्म है, मैंने एक जनरल फॉर्म लिखा है, all will be in fraction form only, so don't worry, it's very very easy to tackle. So I will write for all of them, I will write in the forms. So I've used different colors so that you all can differentiate and try to figure out. So this is a by d e f d e f. So now let us take an example. Okay, so now what I will be doing is, let us take some examples and we will try to find the values. For let's before that, I will just show you some associative examples which I have put in the paper form. Okay, so see, for addition, as you can see, it is minus half plus 3 by 7. So this is the form which is true. For subtraction, yes, it is not true. You can see minus 2 by 3. If we change the form, it is not applicable. The values are different. For one you will get different value, and for another, because the values are, I think, 19 by 30 and minus 11 by 30, which are not same. For multiplication, yes, it will be same. So see, आप हम लोग एक पैटर्न देख सकते हैं लर्नर्स की, एडिशन और मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑलवेज ट्रू है सारे प्रॉपर्टीज में, बट सब्ट्रैक्शन सिर्फ और डिवीजन सिर्फ क्लोजर के लिए। सो सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन गोज वेरी मच सेम, जहां पे रिड्यूस होते हैं, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमेशा समथिंग आपके एड ऑन होते हैं, तो ये एक चीज है। सो लेट अस फाइंड सम, let us do one sum which I was trying to do. So the sum is 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22। ये सपोज ये आपका सम है। सो ये सम के लिए सबसे पहले we will take out the LCM. So you all can get this type of sums. ये एक properties से थोड़ा different है, but it is related to your syllabus only. So LCM of 7, 11, 21 and 22 का value होता है 462. So you all know how to find the LCM. 7, this is common method, and 22, you can find the LCM using this method. So if 462 is the LCM, so you all know that I have to make it equal. So if I'm trying to make it equal, so what will happen is, so let us check. So we have to divide. So what will happen? Let us see. So 3 by 7, we will multiply with 66, because 66 into 7 is 462, plus I will keep this in brackets minus 6 and it will be 11 into 42. So in this way we will be multiplying each of them. So minus 8 by 21 into 22 plus 5 by 22 into 21. So these are the way where we have to form, and so therefore the values which we will get is 198 minus 252 minus 176 plus 105, and in the denominator it will be 462. तो देखिए 198 माइनस, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस इंटीजर्स का रूल है, प्लस माइनस अगेन, सो द फाइनल वैल्यू विच यू विल गेट इज minus 125 upon 462. So this is the way which you all find the do the addition, subtraction, division, sum. But for division there is one rule. Suppose it is, if I write in the form of AB divided by C by D. So if you are doing division, remember that division is the reciprocal of multiplication. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये है कि A by B मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे D by C से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 by 6 अगर ये है, so what I will do is 2 by 3 multiplied with 6 by 4. So ये reciprocal हो जाता है, which is very very important in rational numbers. So after this, the NCERT exercise, that is, I believe, which is exercise number 1.1 will be coming up after this video very soon. So you all can do uh, the identity part, and this, which is very very much easy. So if you will have any topics which I have missed out, you can send me through comment box. And remember, these sums are very easy. Your exercise solution will be also put up on the on my channel. So yes, but don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It's very very important. And thank you so much for your love. Thank you, students and learners.